Listen up. Hey folks, this is Wesley Virgin. Listen close. Let me teach you how to manifest whatever you want. Now listen, these cars here are nothing but a representative of what I've done, okay? And listen close. Everything I've created is with my mind, okay? You see that yellow here, the euros? That was with my mindset here. Now this is for all my skeptics. Come here, let me show you something here. You see that? This is the reason why I'm winning, because Wes wins. Listen, first step to manifesting everything that you want. Number one, you must have an intention. You have to know what you want. I wanted this. That's why I got it. Number two, you must meditate. What does it mean? I don't mean just sitting down and doing this. Meditation means get familiar with you, your mindset here. And number three, it's important while you're meditating to use a very, very unique frequency to get what you want. Listen, I know some of you young people on YouTube right now and you're getting ready to go to the next video, but listen, it's a few things that happen in life that allows you to live your dream. You either listen or you don't. Click the link below and let me show you how I manifested whatever I want and how you can do it too. Let's go.